day, everyone. Welcome to the Civic Welfare Training Service or CWT presentation for the second semester academic year 2025 to 2026 here at Southern Leyte State University. Today, I will guide you through the goals, objectives, policies, and expectations of the NSTP or CWTS program. Number 1. Introduction to NSTP. The National Service Training Program or NSTP aims to transform the youth into responsible citizens who are God-fearing, patriotic, humane, environmentally conscious. NSTP plays an important role in shaping students not only academically but also morally, socially, and spirituality. It prepares you to actively participate in nations building and community development aligned with the vision of Southern Leyte State University. The NSTP office promotes civic consciousness, defense, preparedness, volunteerism, and patriotism among students. Number 2, mission and vision. The mission of the SLHU NSTP office is to develop well-rounded, socially responsible, and patriotic individuals through comprehensive trainings, programs. We aim to enhance civic consciousness, defense, preparedness, actively participation in community service, moral and spirituality values, leadership, and teamwork. This program is not just a requirement, it is preparation for real life responsibilities as future professionals and community leaders. Number 3, general objectives of CWT is the program has several key objectives to cultivate civic consciousness and patriotism, to enhance student engagement in community service, to prepare students for national defense and emergency preparedness, to develop well-trained and organized individuals, to equip students with lifelong learners skills and critical thinking abilities. Number 4, specific objectives of CWTs for civic welfare training service, specifically student will engage in community-based project, focus on health, education, environment, entrepreneurship, safety, recreation, and social services. Apply classroom knowledge to real community challenges. Build partnerships with local communities and organization. CWTs allows you to move beyond theory and into actual service. Number 5, program outcomes by the end of program. Students are expected to demonstrate strong civic duty and patriotism. Participate actively in community initiatives, apply knowledge and skill to address societal challenges, respond effectively during emergencies, work collaboratively in teams, continue lifelong learning and national development, involvement. Number 6, program of activities. For the second semester of 2025 to 26, there will be scheduled training session, project planning, community immersion, implementation, and documentation. Student must follow the approved timeline and activity plan strictly. Number 7, grading system. Here are important points regarding grading. NSTP grades are numerical. NSTP is not included in the computation of your general weighted average or GWA. Completion of 6 units is required for graduation. 3 consecutive unexcused absences may result in being dropped or failed. Your grades components includes attendance, participation, project, implementation, portfolio submission. A portfolio is a systematic collection of your work activities, accomplishment, and documentation throughout the semester. Number 8. Rules and regulation. Now let us discuss important policies. A. General policies: only approved projects are allowed. Student must act professionally and uphold good moral character. B. Attendance and punctuality. Attendance is mandatory. Excuse letter with proof are required for absences. 3. Unexcused absences may lead to disciplinary action. 20% absent about 10 hours or 3 Saturdays result in automatic dropping. Habitual tardiness 5 times in 2 consecutive months may result in referral to OSAS. C. Proper conduct. Student must show respect to teachers, leaders, and community members. Avoid rude or aggressive behavior. Refrain from gambling, smoking, drinking alcohol, illegal drugs, bullying, harassment, and discrimination. Professionalism is expected at all times. D. Uniform and ID proper. CWT's uniform and school ID must be worn. Closed shoes are required for safety. Student not in proper uniform may not be allowed to participate. A. Safety and security. Stay with your assigned group. Do not leave the area without permission. Report any injury or incident immediately. Follow safety procedures at all times. F. Off-campus activities. Parent-guardian consent is required. Barangay or community permits must be secured. Travel only with assigned groups. Follow community rules and curfew. G. Use of school names and logo. Do not use the school name or logo without permission. No unauthorized public statement on behalf of the university. H. Disciplinary action. Violation may result in verbal warning, written reprimand, suspension, project failure, referral to guidance office. 9. Final reminder. CWT is not just a subject. It is a commitment. It teaches responsibility, teamwork, discipline, leadership, and compassion. The experience you gain here will help shape you into better citizens and future leaders. Take this opportunity seriously, participate actively, serve with sincerity, lead with integrity.